Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Okay, I'm in a train. No, I'm not. Okay guys, so there's going to be sudden change. Okay, I'm going to talk about it. Um I was just saying something. I'm going to talk, nah. I'm going to walk, nah. I don't know what was that for. Anyway, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Okay, just to change. Bharat, my place, my country, my world, my earth. Okay. I'm feeling thirsty. Oh, did you see some? I have to be I'm just like very careful about things. Okay. Oh my god, I also see like you're just stepping up in something, like there's some welcoming, there is something happening. Come, there's a welcoming. Okay, there's one card that came out. I'm going to use today angels, this deck. You have Ace of Fire. There's a very crisp thing. There's invitation. Ace of Wands is my karma card. Ace of Fire, which is Wands. There may be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius entry, okay, but not necessarily. I feel like there's an exciting new opportunity. Words written. Okay, I'm reading that out. Career advancement. Change your life now. As I talked about change. Look at his smile. Very crisp. Ready for something. So there's going to be certain thing that's going to happen in your life which is all about excitement. Okay, this may be something connected with creative field. Work is in progress. If people are drawing something, paintings, I see. I heard the moon shall talk. So midnight conversations for some of you, not for everyone. And the moon may be the Piscean. The connection that is coming in the picture. Been telling connection coming in the picture. Someone is coming in the picture kind of energy. With the star at the bottom, Archangel Jophiel. Don't mind and no offense if I pronounce something wrong, okay? It can happen. Happy times, make positive, optimistic, long-term plans on the right path. You're on your way. You're on your journey. Now that journey can be real-time journey, but whatever you're going to do in this time frame, you're going to love it. As if like I feel like you have peeled the moon. Which is about getting to the core of some situation. It's like peeling the moon to know the other side. Okay, that was a sticker. Do. Boom, boom. Okay, fine. So you have something to say. Someone has something to say here. If this goes, then they have something to say which is the same as in like the front side of the moon kind of. Does that make sense? For some of you it won't. Okay, so look, recording time was 0333. I feel this connection is coming in the picture, and I feel like you're so confident that you know what, I peeled the moon. Not exactly, you cannot peel the moon, but soon we are going to reach, I mean as in visit, the trips I'm talking, of course. The visit already been done, but I feel like that kind of energy. But some of you will have, I don't know, I just saw it as like a king, but it's not. It's Knight of Earth, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Loyal, dedicated, honorable, kind. Time to buckle down and get things done. Honor your commitments. A guardian angel. Something is being given to you as in protection, or someone is walking in your life and it's destined. Because Page of Water is here. Wow, you have super cards. I love this deck. Page of Water is intuitive, sensitive, artistic. I talked about art. Artistic, friendly. Okay. And Page of Water is a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. A new person enters your life. A relationship begins a new phase. Heightened psychic ability. Something will tell you itself. Oh my god. It's like, having a chiseled look or something like that. Goes with that. However, that connection is yours. Now, with this Page of Water, you're going to have a lot more talks than way back. Oh god. Knight of Fire. Again, Wands. Passionate, adventurous, self-assured, restless. Someone is restless here. A sudden event that needs immediate attention. Time is of the essence. Think things through carefully. I just said this in, I suppose, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You may cross-watch if there is someone. Because I said, I think in that reading, I don't remember exactly, because I did Aries, Leo, Sag. I did Capricorn, I did Taurus, and now I'm doing Aquarius. Okay? Look at the energy. Just walking in, so brisk and crisp. Okay? Interesting reading. There's going to be some pickup in your life. I painted my nails in glitters. It's not making, justice. It's not giving justice to my color. Not giving justice. It's glitter. Usually I never show. If you are doing it, do it right. They say that if you're doing it, do it right. If you are doing it, do it right. So what are you doing? Are you taking on this opportunity? Thinking about it? Someone is here. A complex decision, which is Seven of Waters, which is Seven of Cups energy. The need to do research. Stop procrastinating. Just search well and then choose. Two of Air. Being unable or unwilling to make a decision. A stalemate, pretending there is no problem. Some of you are coming out of that. Making a decision. Ace of Fire is also that. Whoa. Okay, I'm done. I'm not going to tell them. You have to. My spirits are telling, but you have to. You have to, honey. You have to. Okay. So you have Ace of Water. Falling in love or the resurgence of a relationship. Spiritual growth and enhanced intuition. A new home. Possible a new home. Shifting. But if it's not that, 0707 recording time and a new love is there. So this may be comeback, resurgence, but it's also some new thing coming and you have to catch it before you lose this. Maybe because you don't want to. You knew all this way that's coming. The work that you have done, or maybe this is a karmic thing that is coming in the picture. Now how you put that, karmic or anything, let's say connection. There's this connection newly. Someone is fond of you or becoming fond of you. However, you also becoming that. Like I did one of the reading when I said that there's algae and you're removing it. It was done time back and long ago, I think, but it was timeless. So there is algae that's going away. There is something that you're clearing the stuff, and now you can exactly see what opportunity is coming your way. Playful energy is coming your way. And then you have Three of Air. It was not coming out, but just see, looking, peeping from my deck. You have Three of Air, something that you need to clarify. It's also about decision, but it's great sadness. Take time to heal, the need to forgive yourself or others. I feel if it is resurgence, someone may be coming after the breakup, separation, no talk, no sessions, no indication. There is like someone who's approaching after no indication, okay? Or this may be something that someone who is caught up, taken, like kind of married or committed, or you are, and then there is something coming in the picture. Doesn't make sense. Some of you are coming out of Three of Air. Definitely I feel like you're very confident and you're free, but this card I'm not going to take out, okay, because there is a very fresh energy of Ace of Waters, Ace of Water in your life. You're going to win over someone. I feel like this is about winning someone's emotions. Like basically they are attracted and they want to talk to you because you are riding a dragon here. Seven of Fire, which is Wands. Defend your beliefs and decisions, what you really believe in. Go with that, okay? Stand your ground. Choose your battles wisely. Now this may be someone trying to seep in with the love, or maybe something that you're looking and you're deciding on whether you should take it or not. You're high up in the air, and someone who is coming, you can see from top position. There's also Knight of Fire again. Some passionate, adventurous, self-assured, restless, sudden event, and you will have to put your attention to it. So let's see. Yes, Ace of Earth. I heard welcoming. You're welcoming money, welcoming opportunity, welcoming love in your life. The inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contracts, anything that is coming. Or someone is getting here crack up, like awakening is here. Archangel Gabriel. Look at things from a different perspective. A temporary standstill. It's important to be yourself. Okay, now this is something that is telling me that you're going to let it seep, but you're going to think things through. That's what I said prior. And then there's going to be inflow of something. Wait, I'm lost somewhere. The Emperor. Someone is coming and you are looking at that person. I feel life-changing event, which is about that someone's presence will make difference in your life. Now, how they're going to make difference? Not everyone we are going to marry. Not everyone you're going to have a love relationship. Some come as companion, friendships, and different things like. So there is the Emperor, Archangel Michael. Organization and logic, structure and discipline, leadership. I feel. Yeah, there is some presence. Okay, someone is getting awakened here, but I also get this energy that you will have to see to this person or energy, like someone will make a difference, create that difference. What's in love? There is in love the Sun, Archangel Uriel. They're saying don't be afraid, okay, for whatever you are starting or doing. Happy outcome, brilliant new ideas that lead to success, have confidence in yourself. So Sun, beautiful card. And I talked about that you're peeling the moon kind of and sticking it like a sticker, which means that you're going to see the sun in a different light, which is about, the reality, and the good mornings will be different. Your mornings will be different. With the Sun, there's a very beautiful, for many of you, I feel, happy outcomes connected with your own life's decisions, work, opportunities. Whatever you were standing on and you were fighting for, it's going to be giving you that proper result, okay? Some of you are winning the case here, if it goes that way. However, there's also love matter that I see growing. There's someone who is seeking you. Now there's this Hermit, Virgo, Archangel Raziel. But spend time in quiet meditation, spiritual teaching, self-discovery. This is also someone who is seeking you, which is about they found you. Someone will find you soon. Remember, these are major cards and we are doing infinite, like timeless readings, major readings, okay? And I feel like someone who is looking for you is getting hold and bringing that light. I see there's a heart. There's a heart that's following you. And also many of you will follow your heart, okay? Something that you were thinking and thought a lot, and now you're going to follow. This is Four of Fire, which is Four of Wands. Contentment, peace, and abundance. A happy home life. The successful completion of a project. Some of you are going to complete the project. Some of you are going to buy a home. Some of you are going to have a proposal, stability in love, or friendships here, okay? What's in love? What's in love? What's in love? What's in love? Seven of Cups. I heard the word ultimate. Possible ultimate choice. Seven of Cups. You're having talks. Oh my God, I just said you are having talks. Oh God, oh my God. You have Ace of Swords that was connected with like this, Six of Cups. So I said possible someone was messed up and confused and all that stuff, or you are, but you are having talks. And as I said, you are having talks, you are having Ace of Swords, initiation, conversation with the past energy, possible resurgence, because with the Ace of Water it does come, but it's also creating memories. It's also talking with someone you feel connected or feel renovated, or feel fresh, basically. You feel fresh after this. Nine of Swords. Don't spread this idea around you. just let it go. You have the moon, you're going to peel it into pieces, two pieces, you know, the all the sides, and then there's going to be sun. So there may be a Piscean contacting you, trying to contact you, watching you, seeing you, your status or something, but they're going to contact you. If that's not the case, this may be something in the whole picture. They caused you stress, of course, of course. Look, there may be a Queen of Cups. However, this may go male energy as well. King, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is in picture. You know this person now. You've been talking. It's been few days possible or few months. This may be just 1 month. You've been talking to this person, creating the memory, and you actually love this connection. This person may discuss something with you they are stressed about, or they are feeling for you. They can't sleep. They're thinking about you. So they are going to talk something out. King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So this may be someone who does want to settle things with you, or maybe this is something connected with that they are dealing with someone, or maybe someone who is assuring their own thoughts and decision with you. Basically, someone is here in the picture, and they're thinking about you, thinking about their emotions, can't figure out. I think I'm done. Just last card. It's going to be something that's going to start. It's going to be slow but steady and constant. It's going to be the pickup energy. It may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This may be work related, but this is also love related, that I said, emotions. There's going to be slow, maybe slow, steady friendship, okay? Boom, Four of Wands. This may turn into happy, good friendships or love story. Let's see, future call. But it's also an apology coming from someone. I hope this is going to help you guys. I love you, okay? And I also want to say, especially with the sun, be responsible for your decisions in the coming time, because whatever you're going to manifest, they're going to shine bright. And just do the research, okay? Take time like the Hanged Man. Look at this person. Possible someone is looking at you. Like the thing that you're seeking, or the person you're seeking, they're seeking you, okay? You've been recently talking to someone. Let's see what they feel for you, okay? They feel Page of Cups for you. They feel connected. This may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They feel good when they talk to you. This may be a Piscean. They'll send a message here, or they are sending the message. They feel good when they talk to you. It's good. Feels good. Look, feels good. Knight of Cups. This will bloom. Something will start more bloom, okay? This may turn into more conversations. This may turn into emotional communication, conversations. The Moon, maybe a Piscean. I'm done. I'm going. Bye. See you soon.